With our Fax AI, which is what we rolled out, it's been a great experience. It makes works a lot faster. For example, we always had like 6 pages worth of 25 faxes each in our fax inbox. We're at page 1 with maybe 3 or 4 or 5 faxes that came in toward the end of the day. A message for the doctor helps you create the telephone encounter right from there. And you're probably saving like 9 clicks if you were to move that fax to patient documents and then create the telephone encounter. This way, because you're looking at the fax and it tells you create the telephone encounter. If it's a referral, it tells you to create the referral. So you have different options to do with those faxes as they come in too. The referral thing works out well too. At the end of the day, I can see how many faxes are left, and it's a lot less than what used to be before we rolled it out.
We would have to go through our faxes, which would be multiple pages and time consuming. Using Fax AI now does save our time. It helps distribute to the proper patient, or at least give us an option between less patients to decide which one would be the correct and accurate person for that document we got. With Fax AI, with our time being able to go towards patient care directly, I think will help patients be more satisfied with our timely manner that things are done in now. So our time doesn't have to be just distributed through 8 pages of faxes within 6 hours we're working on it.